This is the new Galaxy Watch 6 Classic and this is the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Are there any differences? Well, luckily we have a couple, but there is one big reason why you guys should think twice before buying the new Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. I have a list of reasons and you should know all about this before buying the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. The biggest reason should be the battery life of the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. Compared to the Watch 5 Pro, there is no match. Samsung claims we are going to get a 40 hours of battery life with always-on display turned off and about 30 hours on always-on display turned on for both 43mm and 47mm, compared to Watch 5 Pro where it lasts about 80 hours, double than the Watch 6 Classic. There will be two main reasons. First, the smaller battery. Watch 6 Classic comes with a 425mAh battery and Watch 5 Pro is way ahead with the 590mAh battery. And second, Watch 6 Classic comes with the brightest display. So if you mostly go outside with your watch, it will drain battery quickly. But this is also a strength of Watch 6 Classic. Let me explain. But before that, subscribe to the channel. Watch 6 Classic comes with a 1.5 inches display and it comes with a 2000 nits peak brightness compared to 2000 nits on Watch 5 Pro. So you don't have any issues under direct sunlight. And finally, what we all been waiting for, rotating bezel on Watch 6 Classic is back. On front, Samsung gave us sapphire crystal for protection and stainless steel build compared to titanium built on the Watch 5 Pro. That way, Watch 5 Pro is much lighter than the Watch 6 Classic, as Watch 6 Classic weighed around 59 grams instead of 46.5 grams on the Watch 5 Pro. I would personally like the Watch 5 Pro build, but Watch 6 Classic is not bad by any means. Meanwhile, the performance on the Watch 6 Classic will be slightly better than the previous generation as we get the new processor, the Exynos W930 with the 2GB of RAM and 16GB of storage, compared to Exynos W920 with the 1.5GB of RAM and 16GB on the Watch 5 Pro. On paper, the difference is not big, about 20% performance boost, and the power efficiency is better on the Watch 6 Classic. But sad to let you know, this will not make a big impact on the battery life of the Watch 6 Classic compared to the Watch 5 Pro. The features are really good on the Watch 6 Classic, where we get the new irregular heart rhythm notification even while sleeping and a new on-device sleep coaching app. But Samsung excludes GPX file mapping feature on Watch 6 Classic. If you like that feature, Watch 5 Pro is the only one you should go for, although Samsung now give you more app support on the Watch 6 Classic, WhatsApp, Gmail, and Google Calendar. Watch 6 Classic comes with the new Wear OS 4 with the One UI 5 scan, and same software update is coming to the Watch 5 Pro in the coming days. This should be a surprise for you, as Watch 5 Pro is expensive than the Watch 6 Classic. Yes, you can get one for about $430 47mm, and Watch 5 Pro will cost you $450, $20 more than the Watch 6 Classic, and Samsung is still selling the Watch 5 Pro. If you're the one who prioritizes battery life over other things, you shouldn't buy Watch 6 Classic. But if you like new features and rotating bezels, Watch 6 Classic is the only option for now. With that said, if you guys are confused between Razr 40 Ultra and Flip 5, then you should watch this video and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.